Hi guys, welcome to Sunanta Diary channel. Today I have tasted healthy food and healthy smoothie to share you because I really pay attention to take care of myself because I think healthy and good mental health is very important to get more happiness because happiness is I think it's meaning of life. Today I'm gonna make pork salad with Thai style. It's famous in northeastern in Thailand, so we call lab mo. Lab mo is like a salad or yum, but it's very different between lab and yum because I want to share you. If we call lab, it have to use. You need to use the total slice powder. If without the total slice powder, that's lab, right? It's just salad, the main ingredient. You need to use the total slice powder that's made from sticky rice. You just roll it on the hot pan, but just use the low heat to cook it until the sticky rice turn to the golden color, and then you crush it until become to the powder, and this is complete the total slice powder. And today I gonna use minced pork. Minced pork is the main ingredient for protein, and you can use another meat depend on you what your favorite, such as chicken or duck or any kind of meat that you want. You have to use chili flake, so it's very good smell. And another of herb, you just use shallot. Shallot is very important because it gives the sweet flavor for lard. You unnecessary to use sugar. And greens, onion, and mince. Mince is can give aroma that's very good smell. And the seasoning is just a few things to use. You have to use lemon and fish sauce. That's enough to cook lard. Okay, let's start it. How to cook is very easy, and I want to share you even you don't have kitchen like me, because I use this recipe just only electric pot because I know kitchen also. Okay, how to cook is very easy. Let's get started. Okay, I turn on the electric pot and the heat is ready to cook. The first step, I'm gonna add the minced pork into the pot. And stir it until it's done. If you want chicken or duck or meat, you can use another kind of meat instead of pork. But today I prefer to use minced pork because yes, it's easy to find in the supermarket. That's very convenient to find minced pork. I recommend you to use chicken if you don't like or you cannot eat pork, because I understand some Muslims cannot eat pork, right? You can use chicken instead or whatever you want, and even the fish also can use to make lard. Okay, pork is done. After turn off the electric pot, okay, I'm gonna prepare another ingredients. I'm gonna slide the shallot. I really like it because it can give sweet flavor. Slice thin or slim, that depend on what you want, but I like to slice it slim pieces, very good and easy to eat. Okay, I'm gonna slice the green onion. It also give the sweet flavor and give smell, and slice it just small pieces. Green onion is very fresh. Okay, I'm gonna add the lotus rice powder, 2 tablespoons. Wow, and now it smells very good smell. And I'm gonna add the chili flake. Chili flake, if you like spicy, you can add more what you want, but for me I'm gonna add chili flake 1 tablespoon. And then lemon juice. I really like pretty sour. I'm gonna use more lemon juice. Wow, when we add lemon juice, the smell is very good, very nice smell. I need more sauce. And then as with salt, just 1.5 tablespoon. And the last one, minced leaf. Minced leaf is, or it can come out aromas. When we mix all ingredients, it's very good smell. I'm gonna slice cucumber. I like to eat the cucumber with pork salad. Now it's done, and I'm gonna take it into my plate. Wow. Now I'm gonna make apple smoothie. Yes, it's healthy smoothie. And the first step, I got fresh apple, and I'm gonna cut it in half. And so, and cut this in half. Cut it small pieces. Cut and then add the ice and add honey, 3 tablespoons, and then add lemon juice. Lemon juice makes it sour. Okay, I need more sour flavor. And then a little bit salt. Okay. This spicy pork salad or larb is done. It looks delicious. I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments or share another recipe, please leave your comment below this video, and see you next time. Bye.